Hello, YouTube. Thank you very much for choosing Learning Life and Living Rio Skinners. I'm your host, Tommy Cam, and today's video, what I would like to talk to you guys a little bit about, and it is some stuff that I think what you guys should know about this summer if you guys are ever planning to check out Holiday World in Splash and Safari. Like, what are my top tips for if you guys go around Holiday World, like if you guys go there like to pick something to eat or just go there to have a good time. So, so I hope you guys are ready for this video because I am. Let's get this video started. So the first thing that I would like to tell you guys is that Holiday World in Splashing Safari is one of my favorite theme parks that I have been to. And just to show you guys up here, Holiday World is home of that big water tower, which I think is really kind of cool. Now, now another thing which I think Holiday World is known for is like their food choices because they got Santa's Merry Marketplace, they got a barbecue place. If you guys go back there to if you guys go back there to like let's just say the to Thunderbird area, you guys can like go there and like look around like at the different areas that has it. So like another thing would which I think makes Holiday World like one of the bestest places, and it's number one for family fun. It's because it's because they got four of the greatest things. They got free Wi-Fi, they got free soft drinks, they got free parking, and free sunscreen, which I think is really great about this entire area. Now, another thing which I would like to let you guys know if you guys are ever planning to check out Holiday World and Splashing Safari this year, is that just to be advised of the location, it's like a couple of hours away from me. Like either like if I'm at my mom's house or either if I'm here at my apartment. But you guys probably see something different about me right now. It's that I got me a haircut, which which I really do like this haircut. Now another thing which which you guys should probably know about Holiday World and Splashing Safari, it's that they have parking attendants there, like can help you guys out with parking. Like either if you guys go like over to to they got two parking lots named for their famous roller coasters. One is the Legend Lot, and the other one is the Raven Lot. So the Raven Lot is a good location for like families. It's like a really good location for that because they got this pavilion like right over there. that blue building, like right over there, that pavilion is like a really good pavilion that Holiday World and Splashing Safari does. And a thing that I think is really good about this entire place is that their accessibility options are like wide open. So, so, so let's just say you guys don't want to go there and like, let's just say you guys are just wanting to go there to have a good time and like talk and like look around like at the different areas that they have. So some that I recommend is that if you guys go to Holiday World and Splashing Safari, and if you guys don't know if your phone's gonna make it, you guys don't know if your phone. Something that I recommend is that you guys take your own, like a phone case. So, like a phone case is like, it's like a thing that you guys can find these at Walmart in your pool section. These are like really good things. These things got so many like good areas. You guys can like wear this like like while you guys go on the rides, but just to be aware, there are some rides down there at Holiday World this year that is going to be closed. So, like Raging Rapids, that one's going to be closed. The only water park that's in the main Holiday World area, that one, hold on, I'm going to turn you guys around. That's the building right there. And that building has like fans. That building has like really good area just to stay cool, which I think is really good about Holiday World is that they got their water, they got drinks, they got different areas that you guys can go like look around, which I think is really kind of cool. Now, now let's just say you guys are going there, and let's just say that you guys are just wanting to spend your entire day in the water park. So, so something that I recommend is that whenever you guys go eat, it's like recommend you guys pick out a place there inside the Holiday World and Splashing Safari water park. So, like this right here's really cool. So, you guys get to drive under something like that. You guys get to walk under that. That is like a really good thing that you guys got that you guys can go like look around. Now, another thing which I think Holiday World does a really good job in, and this is their security offering, because because like with their new security offerings, you guys can like walk through a metal detector, and then after that you guys can go over and like check out check out the different areas. Now another thing is that Santa Claus over there. Now, now this on this side right there, that's what Santa's Merry Marketplace is. Now, just to let you guys know what that is, Santa's Merry Marketplace is like a place where you guys can get, it's cool. You guys can go there and get some really good food. You guys can go like walk around the different areas. Now, another thing just to be advised, like whenever you guys go to Holiday World, is that make sure you guys are ready to walk with the lines. Like whenever you guys go on the rides. So, so another thing which Raging Rapids is going to be closed this year. So they also got another good water ride there, which I think is really good. And this one is like getting you guys wet. It's getting you guys cooled off. This one is called Dive. And Dive is like a really good show. Now turning you guys around. Now Dive is the one where you guys get to go off a big. You guys get to watch people go off a diving board. Now that right down over here, now you guys are going to see this side over here. That's where Frightful Falls is, and that's a good one. Just because if you guys want to go there and get like wet, if you guys are hot, that is like a good area to just stay out of the sun. So like their roller coasters are like really good that they got there, which I think is really good. So I hope everybody is having a great day, and if you guys are planning to go to Holiday World and Splashing Safari, and make sure you guys watch this video. Alright guys, that's it. Have a great day. You too. I will see you guys back here later tonight.